Hi everyone, this is Sam Potter. This is a picture of myself and my little sister Taylor. I received permission from my father and my stepmother to use this picture in this assignment. Taylor is the person that I chose to do the case study with. She is my go-to girl for case study assignments. I really love having the opportunity to work with her, to see where she is academically, as well as to spend time with her. She's one of my favorite people in the whole world. Taylor has done several running records with me throughout the years, and it's just really cool to be able to see how she has progressed as a student throughout the years. For this case study, I presented Taylor with running records, a PALS assignment, and then the lesson that I had to come up with for this assignment. Taylor did really well in her fluency and word accuracy in both the running records and the PALS assignment. She was able to make it through the second grade passage, the third grade passage, the fourth grade passage, and the fifth grade passage with independent fluency and word accuracy levels. However, at the fourth grade level, she reached her frustration point in comprehension. As you can see, she has only 2 mistakes in the second grade reading passage. She had 1 mistake in the comprehension portion of the running record. I always laugh at this because she has difficulty with inferential questions like I tend to have. We both like our literal based questions. When we move on to the third grade passage and then finally the fourth grade passage, you can start to see that she had more difficulty with word accuracy during these passages. And then when she got to the fifth grade reading passage, she had trouble with even just the literal questions. So we knew that, I knew that she had reached her frustration point. In the PALS assessment, I thought it was very cool to see how well she did in the word recognition and isolation section. There's 160 words here, and out of the 160 words, Taylor only got 4 words wrong: stationary, scholar, refuge, and appropriate. I thought this was very interesting to see because I feel like a lot of these words are above the second grade reading level, and to see her be able to decode and properly pronounce these words was very cool to see. For the lesson that I gave her, I used one of the lessons that I had used in student teaching because I taught a second grade class, so I figured it would be a good lesson to use for her. I had her read this passage about firefighters, a passage about Rosa Parks, and then another passage about chocolate. And then I had her choose which article she liked best. Then she used this graphic organizer, which I'll turn it this way so you can see it, to fill in information that she had read from the article in sequential order. And then she took this information and she put it into paragraph form to explain what she had learned from the passage in sequential order. The only thing that I feel Taylor kind of struggled with a little bit is that sometimes she writes how she speaks. Notice she wrote, second, firefighters wear clothes called turnout gear. That's what they wear. Sometimes she repeats herself when she's talking to me or our other siblings. She'll explain herself multiple times, but so when she goes over to her writing, she communicates in her writing how she speaks to us. So in order to support that, to support her to have more of a formal writing approach, I would model, I would do read alouds with her to model how formal writing and reading sounds, and then allow her to participate in writing workshop in order to further express her express herself in a more formal way, which would be modeled in the read alouds. So